Hi, Michael Gaffney with your very easy, fast design. A bit of a contemporary one. Here is my list. Protea, Equisidium, Kale, lovely kale, and juicy Monstera leaf. I'm going to take my Equisidium, I'm going to cut off the rubber band, I'm going to drop it all at once into my foam for a tall vertical line. How easy was that? Anybody can do this. Next, I'm going to take my Monstera leaves and create my base. Cut just a little bit off. This will make a nice platform for everything else to coast on. So I'm going to ring around the collar with my Monstera. I'm the flower man, known as the flower man, with schools in 17 cities around the country. I used to be and work on Wall Street as a clerk, and one day I walked into a flower shop, and this is what happened. There's your start. What's next? We're almost finished. I'm going to take my, I think Protea, and set these, clear off the bottom of the stem, set these right here. This is rather a bit of a basic design, meaning all the stuff is low at the vertical line. I have 3 of these, so I'm going to do a triangle. You probably see me on a Today Show or Hallmark Channel. I've been on Hallmark Channel for the last 7 years, teaching guests on the show how to design flowers. There is my Protea set, and all I have left is decorative kale. I'm going to take my kale and do the same thing. I'm going to base around the base, and when you're done, you're going to have a very nice contemporary piece. For your guests coming over tonight, these are slightly lower than the Protea. Oops. You can prop them up even with that Protea. Stay, boy. And you are ready to go. Yep, one more maybe. I could have used probably a few more. You'll be the critique on this. And there we have it. A nice contemporary design for the middle of your grand dining room table. Contemporary designing is really fun. It's usually very fast and very simple. If you want to learn more, you can open these a little bit to give it a little fan shape on top. Voila! As they say in Paris, which is the name of my new book, American in Paris. I think it's lovely and really easy. I did it in 3 minutes. Here's your 3-minute design. For more information, flowerschool101.com. Join us in class. You won't be disappointed. You will be doing fantastic arrangements by the end of the first day, guaranteed. It happens every week. That's all I have to say. Keep blooming.